You know the first time I laid eyes on this beast, I swear I thought it was a moving palace. Like, no joke. This thing doesn't just drive, it glides. This right here is the Aerolux Sky Villa, Golden Horizon Edition. And trust me, when elegance meets motion, this is what perfection looks like. Step inside and, wow, it's pure class. We're talking white marble floors, soft beige leather lounges, and right in the middle, a floating golden dining table that literally glows just enough to make the whole room look royal. Then your eyes catch the floating glass staircase, spiraling upward like it's straight out of a dream. It grabs every single bit of golden light as you move to the next level. And that's when things get unreal. Welcome to the Sky Lounge, a full 360-degree glass view of pure magic. You've got champagne-tinted reflections, cream recliners lined up perfectly facing a mini golden bar that sparkles like the sunset melting into water. Now, the master bedroom, man, it's something else. A gold-framed bed literally hovering above the floor. The silk curtains move so gently it's like they're breathing. And the bathroom? That's not a bathroom. That's art. Gold-rimmed mirrors, rainfall showers, and a soft amber light that makes the whole space glow like a golden sunset. Head up to the rooftop, and boom! You've got an infinity jacuzzi under the open sky. When the sun starts to dip, everything turns golden. It's like the whole world slows down, just to let you breathe it in. And here's the crazy part. It's not just about looks. This beauty performs. It's got a hybrid twin-engine system with solar assist, completely silent, and can go 600 miles straight without even breaking a sweat. All that style, all that power. And yeah, it's got a price tag, $4.2 million USD. But honestly, once you step inside this masterpiece, you get it. Every dollar makes sense, because this isn't just a vehicle. It's a dream in motion.